Helpful tips about making some money online. You can get a lot out of working on the internet. Perhaps you want to avoid having to drive to a job, or maybe you just have a family at home you'd like to be around while you make your money. Whatever the case may be, this video is here to help you out. Even though you may be able to make money online regularly, keeping physical records of your work and earnings is still important. Print out the data from a well-maintained spreadsheet or keep a notebook by your computer. Keep accurate and up-to-date information that you will later need for tax purposes, to verify income or just for your own purposes. Data can be lost all too easily online. You can make money online by playing games. Farm Gold is a great site that you can log into and play fun games during the course of the day in your spare time. There are many games that you can choose from to make this a profitable and fun experience. Are you a grammar nut? Do you understand the nuances of the English language? Consider working as a copy editor. You can get paid to look over videos that were written by others, seeking out any errors in the work and then correcting them. The best part is that you can do it all from the comfort of your own home. Determine how much money you should get for your time prior to doing any work. If we're going to a certain job, what do you want to make per hour? Working for pennies will mean you're wasting your time. If companies realize you will work for less, that's what you will get paid. One good way to make money online is by writing blog posts or videos. There are a few sites such as Helium and Associated Content that will pay for blog posts and videos that you write. You can earn up to $200 for videos on topics they are looking for. There are legitimate online companies where you can make money, but there are almost as many scams, too. Check out any company you want to work with before you shake hands. Any company you want to check out should be found on the Better Business Bureau's website. Sign up for a data entry job if you want to make extra money on the side. These are time-consuming jobs, but can add up in the long run and do not require a lot of skill. One of the great benefits of this job is that you'll be able to do it in your home. You can make money online by designing t-shirts. There are several sites that allow you to design your own t-shirts and sell them yourself via an online storefront. When considering this idea, remember you will need an interesting design, along with a unique catchphrase that people will want to wear. After watching that, you should be able to see that making money online is something anyone can do. It just is something you have to have some patience with if you want everything to go well for you. Take all of these things into consideration, and good luck in the future. Affiliate marketing is a sure way to get some extra cash. But there is better than just selling other people's products. You can sell your own products and make affiliates help you to also sell them. How can you achieve this? Pay close attention to the opportunity I will introduce to you. I will show you a site where you can download more than 12,500 digital products. They are all private label products. You can download, edit them, own them, and sell them to keep 100% of the profits. The digital products concerned include marketing software, ebooks, video courses, tutorials, articles, photos, templates, etc. The very good news is that you can start downloading for 100% free. With the free membership, you can download up to 500 products before deciding to upgrade for premium, where you will spend only $67 for a full year membership. Click the link in the description to register and access for free today. As you download the digital products, you can create your own affiliate program and recruit affiliates to sell them for you. In so doing, your profits will skyrocket by more than 1000% plus. Click the other link in the description to access a platform that will show you how you can create your own affiliate program.